This next song is one of the rare optimistic sort of positive hopeful songs. That was a lot of adjectives. One of the rare positive optimistic hopeful songs, there we go. It's called Now's the Time.